Hi friends. Hi friends. In this session we will discuss how to write a VHDL code for logic gates using either Xilinx tool, Xilinx ISE or Vivado version. We can execute this RTL code and we can write the test bench for it. Basic entity, how to represent using data flow modeling for the logic gates implementation. I'll tell you throughout this video. Observe a RTL representation of NOT gate. The first module here I have given for 4 different logic gates using data flow. As we know, the VHDL code starts with the IEEE standard representation, libraries and packages we have to include in the first combination, and whatever various packages suitable and what are the various operations that we have to include, all those will be represented in terms of standard logics and in terms of standard IEEE packages and logics we have to quote. Here the first 2 lines, we will start the VHDL code with library IEEE and import the package use IEEE.std_logic_1164.all. Here these two represent that the standardization of VHDL code is with respect to IEEE standard. So we have imported the library of all IEEE, and std_logic_1164 is the package where all the logic functions or standard logics are represented in this particular package. Previously it is 1367.all, and now after many revisions given by the IEEE, here at present we are using this package to implement all arithmetic and standard logic functions. So we have to include the statement called use IEEE.std_logic_1164 package.all, and each and every statement has to be ended with semicolon, statement end. And now the representation of VHDL code I have consists of 2 different parts. One is entity representation with all its ports. So a design will be represented by means of an entity which consists of, let us consider a design as a black box, and this particular black box consists of input ports and output ports. So whatever may be the input ports represent by means of in and its data type. Alani similarly represent all its output ports with its data types within the ports declaration part. So this port declaration part has to be included in a entity. So entity is nothing but a system design or a black box that you are going to represent, or that you are going to tell that I am designing this particular block as an entity. So now in this example I am representing NOT gate. NOT gate I have taken it as an entity, and so that I have given the entity name. Say entity name means NOT underscore gate, I have given it as entity name. So entity NOT underscore gate is, the syntax for writing the entity is entity name is. So now I have included an entity name as NOT underscore gate. So now entity name is can be represented as entity not underscore gate is. And now after declaring or naming the entity, you have to represent the port declarations of that particular system which you are going to implement. Now the ports are, NOT gate consists of only a single input port. Let us give X is the input port. So port within the parenthesis we have to give X colon. It is of type, port type is either in type or out type or in out type. There are three different configurations of port: input port, output port or in out port. Means the port which acts as both as an input to one block and output to another block. So that is represented as in-out ports. Timely we will apply that type of ports in the larger designs, and here in our entity only X is represented as input port, and here the data type represented as std underscore logic.